Hi YouTube, it's me Nathan here. So this video, it's like, what time? 5:59 a.m. in the morning. That's too early. I woke up. But I didn't sleep all day. I meant not all night. I didn't sleep not all night. I didn't sleep at all. Play my game. Did she just yawn? Let me see. Capture the footage of a rat yawning. She just yawned. This one's not doing well. She's dying soon. There's a scar in her cyst. I think you've seen that. That's a big yawn for a rat to do. Alright. Can you yawn, Sandra? Here comes Winnie too. I burped. Another one. While I was laying down there, I was not feeling good, but I didn't. I did not vomit. It felt like that to me, but I made it through. Well, there goes my mom's alarm. There it goes. Oh shoot. Hi, Uncle. Hi. Oh, she has a cyst on her arm too. Wow, that's not good. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh God. You should find the cage. Sandra's doing fine. She got bigger. I got her since last year. A couple months, it was a long time ago. Are you gonna yawn, Winnie, or Crystal? I mean, no. Who's gonna yawn, Winnie or Sandra? accidentally called Sandra Crystal, but not her. I meant this one, Sandra, tan one. Did you want to yawn? Come on, yawn. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and go. She tried to bite me. I think that's all, folks. Well, that's from, Bugs Bunny, the old one. And one of them said that's all, folks. Okay. That's it. Say bye, Rocco. Say bye. Say bye, Rocco. Alright. See you next video coming soon. Maybe later. Well, see ya. Bye. See ya.